honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Johnny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, so I have a very small Dollar Tree haul video for you guys. I wanted to show you what I got at the Dollar Tree today because I found some stuff that we're going to use for the Christmas series that I'm going to be starting soon. So I have some stuff here that I'm going to show you that I thought it was really cool, and I was super excited when I came across it at the Dollar Tree. So okay, let me show you what I got here first. So I went back and I bought these little military figurines because for Halloween I did like a little goodie bag for the kids, and I want to do the same thing for Christmas, but I want to show you something that I also came across that I really liked better. Okay, so all right, let me show you this first and then I'll talk to you about the other stuff. So I bought these figurines. I'm going to use them in the little goodie bag that I'm going to make for the kids for Christmas. That's going to be fun. I came across these really amazing, oh my gosh, they smell so good. They're like pine fragrance little like envelopes, and these are like, you put them like in the linen closet or like maybe like a drawer or something like that. They're very scented. They're really strong. It smells actually really good. I'm not too crazy about pine scent, but for some reason this is not that bad, and this is perfect for like gifts to give to someone. So I'm planning to use these to gift to some of my coworkers. So these are really cool. I like these a lot. Actually pretty strong in pine scent, but if you like that scent, then that's perfect. Okay, I found, oh my gosh, I was so excited when I found this. These are just tissue papers, but remember that I showed you guys in like a Dollar Tree haul video that I had for you maybe like a few weeks ago? I came across these goodie bags, and so I came across the actual same goodie bag design but in tissue paper. So I was like, oh my god, this is so freaking awesome. I love this. So I picked up 2 of these, and these are really fun. They're just like tissue papers. You get this design and then you get the green. I really love this. I thought it was perfect for the goodie bag. It matches exactly the same. It's super cool. Okay, more goodie bags. I came across these. I couldn't resist. I had to get it. They're just so cute. Look at that Santa, how adorable he is. And then look at the snowman, how cute with the pink little cheeks. I thought these were super cute. So I got these 2 little goodie bags. And then I found these little goodie bags. These are the ones that I'm going to use for the little goodie baggies treats that I'm going to make for the kids. And I use the same ones, but at Halloween version. This is a Christmas version, and so I thought it was really cute. I bought the blue for the boys, and I bought this one for the girls. I thought it was fun. So what I'm planning to do is I'm planning to add some of these soldiers in here. And then for the girls, I'm going to be adding these little bangles that I also bought at the Dollar Tree. And these are really cute, little like bangle bracelets kind of for children. I thought they were really cute. I was happy that I found more of these because when I bought these for Halloween, they didn't have that many left. So I was really excited when I came across this. And I like it because you get 10 of these little bracelets in one little pack, which is really money savior. You know what I'm saying? You save money like that versus buying 10 separate gifts. So I'll put together these little goodie bags, and I will also show you guys maybe like I don't know, like a quick video on how I put them together. But I wanted to just tell you that I also went to a dollar store that was near my home, and I found these, which I thought they actually were much more interesting than the soldiers. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these instead of the soldiers, and I'm going to return the soldiers, and I'm going to use these for the boys. I don't know. We'll see. I'm still not sure. But I picked these up because I really like the dinosaur and the colors. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what I'll use. I might just keep them both, all 3 of them. I don't know. We'll see. Okay. And then I bought more of these little mini candy canes so I can add these to the goodie bags. That's gonna be perfect. Okay. So this is the stuff that I bought that I was really excited about, and I really wanted to show you guys, okay? So I came across this stuff and I was like, oh my god, this is perfect for what I want. Perfect, right? So they had these really pretty little scarves, as you can see here. They're kind of like these scarves that you wrap around, and it has like a little loop over here, so you just loop them together, and you just have like a really nice cozy scarf. These are really awesome for presents. I'm telling you, they look so pretty and they look so like expensive. I cannot believe that the dollar store sells this. They had different colors. They had white, they had blue, they had red, they had black. They had a whole bunch of colors. I really was thinking in my mind that I wanted to grab a few of these for my coworkers, but I changed my mind, and I ultimately just grabbed a few for myself because this is what we're going to use to decorate one of the trees that I have. So I grabbed 4 of these because I have 2 trees that I'm going to decorate. It's going to be like a table tree size, and I'm going to DIY it with some stuff, and I want to show you guys how I put that really awesome tiny Christmas tree together. And so when I found this, I was like, yes, this is gonna be perfect. So I grabbed a few of these. So if you guys are at the Dollar Tree and you see these will be absolutely perfect for like regular gifts. I mean, honestly speaking, this is like such a cute scarf. It will be perfect for like a maybe like a stocking stuffer, or you know, like a present. It's just really pretty. So okay, so I grabbed 4 of these. The color that I grabbed is this really beautiful like mothy color. I love these colors. I didn't want to grab white because the Christmas tree that I'm going to be working on is white, so I needed something to kind of like, you know, stand out a little. So okay, so I grabbed 4 of these. That's gonna be awesome project to work with. Then I saw these mittens and I was like, yes Jenny, grab them. So I was super excited when I saw these mittens. I grabbed 3 of them. We're going to DIY these mittens into a really fun garland. I'm going to use these for the office. And then I bought 3 for myself. Of course, I bought pink for myself. You know me, and you know how much I love my pink. So I bought 3 pinks for myself to decorate at home. And then I bought 3 red for the office. And I can't wait. I can't wait to get started on this project. I think I'm probably going to be doing this tomorrow because I'm super excited to get these garlands going. It's going to look super cute, so adorable, hung up on the wall. Oh my gosh, I love it. So if you guys see these little mittens for kids, grab them. They're awesome. Not only they're great to make some kind of like crafting projects, but you can do so many things with this. You can use these as like envelopes to stuff like little gifts in here. You can use them as stocking stuffers. Again, I'm going to use them as a garland, so that's going to be fun. You can use these so many different ways. I love them. So I cannot wait to show you projects on these adorable little children mittens. Okay, and then they had these dolls, which I don't even know like what possessed me to get these dolls, but they're just so cute. They were so hard to leave behind. I thought they were adorable, and I just grabbed them. This is for myself. I think that they look so cute in my craft room, sitting in a little, like, you know, in a little section. I love them. They're so adorable. They are absolutely cute. They're like just simple, like little, you know, dolls, but I think they were so cute, and this would be adorable to give as like a stocking stuffer for like a child, like a girl. I think it's adorable. So these are super cute. I've never seen these at the Dollar Tree. This is like my first time seeing them. They had so many other like adorable, like soft like toys like this, and I just love them all. They were so much fun. Okay, that's basically it. I told you this is gonna be a very short video. I didn't get too many stuff. But I wanted to show you because I'm gonna start getting ready to do the Christmas series. I have like another day or two before I start getting that going. And yeah, and so I went to my local Dollar Tree. My local dollar store, and I found these really fun Christmas cards. I thought they were really awesome to do as a maybe like an embellishment. Isn't that cool? Like, look at those cute little mittens there. Wouldn't that be awesome to do as an embellishment? I thought it would be perfect for an embellishment. So I grabbed this. It was only $1, and you get 16 greeting cards in here. So I'm definitely going to DIY these adorable little mittens that are just super cute. Okay, and that's it. That's all I did. That's all I got for the Dollar Tree. I'm going to do another haul video for you guys. I'm going to show you what I got at the thrift shop. Oh my god, I got so many awesome things today while I was thrift shopping. I had so much fun. I can't wait to show you guys. So I'm going to do that next. And then after that, I was going to do a revisit video showing you guys stuff that I have from last year. I don't know if you guys want to see that. I'm thinking to just go straight into like the Christmas series and just leave the revisiting for, I don't know, maybe like next year or something. I don't know. I feel like I just need to just go straight to the Christmas series videos and just get that going. So I don't know. Do you guys want to see a revisit my Christmas stash, or do you guys just want to get the Christmas series going? I don't know. Let me know what you think in the bottom of this video. Probably I'm going to skip on the revisiting, but if you guys want it, then I guess I'll do it for you. Okay, love you all. Have a fantastic weekend. Thumbs up, my loves. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that comment section and let me know what you guys think about this awesome haul. I love you all, and I'll see you soon. I'll see you like in another few minutes. I have another thrift shop haul video for you. Love you.